Hello class 9th, how are you all? This is the fifth video of your chapter. A house is not a home. In the previous four videos, we have learned about the title of the chapter and theme of the chapter, and these some of the paragraphs we have studied. And now we have to start from this paragraph. This my mother then ran out the house. Right. My mother then ran out of the house carrying a small metal box full of important documents. Right. So, why mother was just running back to the house? There was some reason. So, she was carrying, when she ran out of the house, she was carrying one small metal box, and there was some important document. So, this is you can say abrupt reaction of the person, right? Whenever such kind of conditions occurs or situation occurs in life, so first you think about your important things. So in this quick reaction, mother also thought about these important documents. She dropped the case on the lawn and in crazy state ran back into the house, right? And she threw that box of important documents there, and again she ran back to the house to collect something else. What was that? I knew what she was after. So Jan was aware. What was that thing? Why was going back to the house in this kind of dangerous situation when the house is at flames? So my father had died when I was young, and I was certain that she was not going to let his pictures and let us go up into the flames. So this was the reason that why was mother going back to the house, because his father was you can say dead and died had died uh, earlier, okay, when he was very very young. So they have only, you can say, a few memories with them, uh, like his pictures or his letters. So it was not possible that her mother is going to let these pictures and letters go away, okay, and go up in the fire, okay, in this state. No, this was not possible. So they were the only things that she had to remember him by, because these were the only things, okay, through which they were connected to him. They could feel him, they could see him, right? So this was the thing, that's why she was running back to the house. Still I screamed at her, mom, no. So Jan is stopping mother because it was very dangerous. So house was at flame, and this was very risky, very dangerous. Anything could happen. I was about to run after her when I felt a large hand hold me back. It was a fireman. So Jan also wanted to, you can say, get into the house, okay, and wanted to save mother, wanted to bring her back. But as he wanted to move, he could not move from his place. Why? Because one large hand was holding him back to that place. And who was he? He was the fireman. The fireman stopped him there. So I hadn't even noticed that the street had already filled with fire trucks. I was trying to free myself from his grasp, yelling, "You don't understand, my mother is in there." So, as the fireman was holding him back, right, and he was just crying and yelling, shouting, "You don't understand, man. My mother is in there in the house. What are you doing? Let me go in." So he held on to me while other firefighters ran into the house. He knew that I wasn't acting very logically, and that if he were to go, if he were to let go, I would run. He was right. So this was very risky. So that's my firefighter was not letting or allowing him to go into the house, because he knew very well that if I leave this boy, he will abruptly, okay, go there in the house, and this is not a logical thing, because we can clearly see the house are at flame and the flames are very high. So anytime it can fall, or it could be very risky for the boy. So that's why he did not leave, and he did not allow that boy to get into the house. So that's why he was holding him very tightly there, and he knew that if I leave this boy, so he would definitely go in. So this was the reason that he was not allowing Jael to go into the house. So it's all right, they will get her, he said. So the fireman just told me that don't worry, okay, other firefighters, they will get into the house and they will safely get your mother out. Don't worry about it. Okay, students, so the other paragraphs we will study in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. So nice of you.